Hello, Dr. Danger Mouse here, and I have an issue with the tail lights on my car, SLK230 year 2000 variant R170. Now, if you can see here, the light is on, and when we move to the other side here, the lights is off. So they're the lights that basically come on when you turn your headlights on. So what we need to do is we need to change the bulb, and we're going to go about that right now. Okay, first of all we open the boot, obviously. Now we're going to access the bulbs through this bit here, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, first of all we need to remove this first aid kit for sick notes when you're travelling. Put that to one side, and that then exposes a panel inside, which I'm just about to show you. Okay, so if you come in here, you can see in here we have the bulbs of the car, and I'm going to tell you what each one does so that you're changing the right one. Okay, we're in the bulb compartment now. It's a bit tricky to film because it's so tight, the space, but I'm going to try and tell you what bulb does what. Now we're going to start here with my up here, that's your brake light. Okay, the one here is your indicator. The one here, sorry, can you see that? Is your tail light. The one here is your reverse light, and I'm not going to lie, I literally have no idea what this one here does. I have tried fog lights, parking lights, all kind of lights that you never knew existed. It's like Blackpool illuminations, and I still have got no idea what that bulb does. So if I've got no idea what it does, it's probably a safe bet that you don't need to change it. So that's where we are. We need to change the tail light bulb, so we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so we're going to the tail light now, which is this one here. All you do is grab it like that, give it a twist, and pull it out like that. There we go. Now what I would say is don't touch the bulb with your bare hands. You get oil onto the glass and it creates hot spots which can blow it, so bear in mind, that's how you do it. Okay, so we've got the bulb and the unit here, and you simply give it a twist that way around, and the bulb comes out like so. While it's out, it's just worth checking the contacts are clean here and here. Okay, so to put the bulb in, if you look here, you've got two little cutouts there and there. They match with the location logs on the bulb. So put them in like that, push down and twist, and you know it's in properly because when you give it a tug it won't come out, and that's now ready to be reinserted into the holder. Okay, to insert the bulb back in, you just go to the holder there until it locates. You can feel it locate, and then you twist it clockwise like that, and it should feel solid. You won't be able to pull it out, and then that is the bulb changed. So all we need to do now is test it, and it should work, hopefully, in theory. So we have one working tail light, which is really good. 2 working tail lights. If you found this video useful, please press like and subscribe. Thank you for your time. Okay, to reinsert the bulb holder, I've got it here. So just go to the location and twist. Oh no, I got the valve the wrong way around.